To fold your pocket coach, start by folding the page completely in half lengthwise, the tall and skinny way. Crease it well and open it flat. Then fold the page completely in half widthwise, the short and fat way. Crease it well and open flat. After that, fold the outer top and bottom edges into that middle widthwise crease. Then unfold. You will see your 8 horizontal panels developing. Fold widthwise again. Cut along the middle vertical crease line only from the folded edge to the center intersection. Stop cutting at the middle. Open flat, then fold lengthwise. Push the left and right sides together toward the center. The middle slit will pop open like a diamond or a star and collapse outward into your 4-page flip booklet.